Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. In this video, we will discuss about the seat matrix that got published yesterday for DM and MCH. The seat matrix is uploaded on the website neetmentor.co.in. Okay, if you have got the access, you can check the seat matrix section. Okay, and you will be able to find the seat matrix. You can also search it. The seat matrix for the previous year is removed and the latest seat matrix is given here. So you can do the filtration. Don't do the filtration with the session or round. Directly you can filter based on the course name, state. You can directly select the institute or institute type, maybe government, DNB, DNB private, or government DNB, deemed universities or private institute. Okay, so that's how you can do the filtration and you can find the seat matrix. As in when we get the seat matrix updated on the official website MCC, we are waiting for DNB seat matrix. I'll update the seat matrix also here. Okay, and after getting all the seat matrix, we will give the choice preference option also will be updated. Right now it's dummy. Okay, those who have taken 7.5k package, they will be able to access the choice preference. Okay, now let's talk about like how is the seat matrix this year in comparison with the last year. So here I have segregated the seats for the deemed universities, all the branches, government college, all the branches, how many seats in each and every branch, and for private colleges, how many seats in each and every branch. Okay, totally if you see total number of seats, because they have published two PDFs. One PDF covers the seat matrix for all the colleges except Tamil Nadu government colleges, and Tamil Nadu government college seat matrix published separately. Okay, so now the rule says in Tamil Nadu state particularly, 50% of the seats of the government colleges seats, okay, 50% of the government college seats is reserved for the in-service candidates. Okay, and remaining 50% will be available through All India Counselling. So for the 50% reserved seats, Tamil Nadu State Counselling will do the counselling process, and for the rest of the seats, for all other seats, is through All India Counselling. So totally, they have given us the seat details of 3,878. DNV seat is still pending. Okay, so we are expecting like 2,500 seats to be added from DNV side. Okay, on the maximum. And out of these 3,878, 2,275 are the government seats, including deemed and private, totally 1,603 seats. Okay, and last year there were 3,608 seats. Okay, in case you are new here, please do subscribe the channel, and in the description of the video you will find a WhatsApp group. You can join that group. That group is open. You can discuss there, you can ask your queries, and the updates also you will be getting over there. It's all free. For the paid packages, you can visit our neetmentor.co.in. Okay, so I'll show you what are the different packages options available. These are the packages available on our website neetmentor.co.in. The 3,007.5,000 package will not have any call support, and you can't make a query with us over call or message. In 20,000 package, you can get access to the counseling guidance with full call support, end-to-end counseling process. Customized choice preference will be given for government at DRNB. If you want to go for private also, go for the 30,000 package. In 7.5K, you will able to get the choice order depending on the institute department level review and this other details like stipend, bond, fee structure. Okay, for the government, private, deemed, DRNB, everything. Okay, so you can, if you wish, you can access those things from here. Let's discuss about the seat matrix again. So maximum number of seats, okay, considering the government institutes, cardiology has the most number of seats, then in the surgical, urology, and urology this year is in very demand. Okay, we have seen the demand for oncology, surgical oncology also, then endocrinology, and then critical care, surgical oncology I mentioned. These branches, gastroenterology, are in demand. Okay, so the trend will keep on changing. Okay, after few years, the branches which are in demand now won't be in that much demand. It will decline because we'll have more competition and saturation. So you have to, I think you know better like which branch to opt for. Okay, so and if you have attended the examination in different groups, you need to do the registration once. For separate group, no separate registration. You have to make the payment of 2 lakhs. I believe many of you must have done the registration, but the choice filling will not start as long as the seat matrix is pending. Right now the seat matrix is awaited for DNB. Once the seat matrix is available, they will open the choice preference also. Don't directly jump to the choice preference. Make a list on your side, considering which states you prefer, considering the branches you prefer, considering what is your preference among the government institutes, private and DRNB. In the private, up to what fee you will afford, and how much is the actual fee, is there any hidden fee, how much stipend they are providing. Okay, these details about the colleges like stipend, fee, bond and all will be available on our website. In case some institutes do not have the updated one, it will be updated once we have the seat matrix in hand. Okay, and our team is working on that. So before you do the choice filling, you will have all the updated details over there. Okay, so if you have any question, you can either comment in the comment section, or better join the WhatsApp group and ask your queries there, or you can discuss with others. Okay, so that's all from my side in this video. We will update you when we get the seat matrix for DRNB with some analysis. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.